Good morning, everyone. I am Sanjeevni Patwa from the SAGE Group SIRT Bhopal, and today I am delivering a lecture on the topic of Linux basic commands. So, now let's start with what are the commands in Linux. And Linux is a open source operating system, and it is the popular alternative to Microsoft Windows. And if you choose to use with this low cost or free operating system, so you need to know some basic Linux commands to configure, operate, and interact with your system smoothly. And when dealing with the Linux operating system, commands are uh, required as input to inform or direct a computer program to perform a specific operation. So, whenever you need to perform any operation on the Linux terminal, so you need to know the basic commands of Linux, and understanding the most basic Linux commands will allow you to successfully navigate directories, manipulate files, creating files, change permissions, display information such as disk space, and many more. So before starting the work on the terminal, you need to install Ubuntu distribution in your computer system, and also you can use the virtual box of the Ubuntu distribution. So let's start with the some basic commands. So here we have a first basic command, that is the pwd. It means when you first open the terminal, you are in the home directory of your user. To know which directory you are in, you can use the pwd command. So we will see the example from the Ubuntu operating system. So here I have a screen. You can see the screen of the Ubuntu terminal. So now I will simply write pwd. So here we can see we are in the home directory, and home Sanjeevni name of this directory is also in the home directory. So Sanjeevni is also directory. So we are in the home directory. Now next one you can see the ls command. Now ls command means list of content. When we write the ls in your terminal, so it shows all the files and the directories um, in the screen. So we can see the some files name abc.save, abcd, abs file1.txt, kk.txt, college, linux, sirt, ess. So these are the files and directories which shows in the blue color, so that is the directories, and which shows in the white color, so that is the files. So these are the some basic commands. Next one is the mkdir and rmdir. I will show you. Mkdir means make directory. Mkdir and name of the directory, we can say Linux. Sorry. Again mkdir a b c d e. So ABCDE is a directory which we have created. So we will see mkdir से ABCDE directory बनी है या नहीं. ls. तो हम देख सकते हैं ABCDE फर्स्ट फिफ्थ नंबर पे जो फाइल दिख रहा है डायरेक्टरी, वो ABCD डायरेक्टरी है. सो mkdir is used to make a directory. So rmdir is used for the remove directory. So we will simply write rmdir ABCDE. Sorry, I have wrote a wrong spelling. rmdir ABCDE. So we will see ls. So we can see ABCDE is not in the directory list. So it is removed. So now next command is man command. We will see the man command. If we write simply man, and after that we have to write any command like ls. If I write ls man space ls, so I found the manual of the ls command like this is a manual of the ls commands. We can say here this is the totally description of the ls command. So now for exit this command we have to write yes, sorry, q. So now we are in the main terminal and we will see some extra commands like I will show you in this command in this terminal. If I write date, so I found today's current date of this system. And if I write cal, so I found calendar of the current day. If I write uname, so I found the username of the system. If I write history, so I found the history of the previous used commands. If I write clear, so I found all the commands were vanished. So this is the basic commands of the Linux which we used in to use the terminal or configure interfacing the system with this Linux operating system. So now thank you so much everyone for this class.